Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we will talk about modern kitchen design ideas. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share this video with your friends. Thank you. Dear viewers, designing a kitchen can seem a daunting task. There is so much to consider and so many moving parts to get right. Plus, it's the hardest working room in the house and one of the most permanent and expensive to decorate. Getting your kitchen designed right the first time is really worth doing. So, what are the most important things to consider when designing a kitchen? Start by working out how you use the kitchen, where you cook, when you cook, if you have space for a kitchen table, and how often you shop to sort out how much storage you need and what layout to have. It's also the most important way to work out where your kitchen lights will go. Think about how often you might want to entertain in the kitchen, including whether you want it set up to do so at all. You may prefer to achieve guests into a kitchen, dining or living room, and keep the kitchen to yourself as a space where you can cook with more room to breathe. Remodeling a kitchen is undeniably the most existing reno project. A new color in your living room or new layout in your bedroom can make all the difference, of course. But nothing is quite as impactful as a kitchen makeover. It's the room you likely spend the most time in. And now the kitchen is more multifunctional than ever. It's not a place just for cooking and eating, but working and hosting and relaxing. We ask so much of our kitchens that it's important to get the design right. But where do you start? Well, looking for kitchen ideas and inspiration is always a good jumping off point and the most existing part of the process too. So here we have rounded up the best kitchen ideas that covers colors, layouts, trends and more. Plus plenty of practical advice from interior designers to ensure your project gets off the best start. From cabinets and lighting schemes to backsplashes and flooring, these kitchen ideas cover everything you need to think about. You can use them to inspire your kitchen layout ideas. If there's one thing that recent years have taught us, it's that kitchen ideas that promote a feeling of homeliness make us happy. Homeliness means different things to all of us. Some like minimalism, others a more decorative feel. Your kitchen layout is a huge part of the design process. There's so much to consider: the size, how you use the space, how many people use the space, the aesthetic too. But you also want to pay close attention to how natural light comes into the space, so your layout is not going to block it. When designing this kitchen renovation, we first started by updating the layout to move the appliances to better locations. Light, neutral tones can create a sense of openness, while bold colors add a touch of personality. Consider a two-tone cabinet design for a modern twist that brings depth to your kitchen. Think about your countertops. Materials like quartz and marble not only look sleek but also are highly durable. Pair them with stylish backsplashes to enhance the overall aesthetic. Don't forget about lighting. Pendant lights over an island can serve as a stunning focal point, while under cabinet lighting adds warmth and functionality. Open shelving is another fantastic option. It allows you to display beautiful dishware and adds an airy feel to your kitchen. Finally, consider incorporating smart technology. From smart ovens to touchless facts, these innovations can make cooking and cleaning more efficient. Thanks for watching this video. If you found these kitchen design ideas inspiring, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and inspiration. Thank you.